We're in the middle of a siphon clean for Southern Water. Siphons are integral to sewer networks, and they are an important legacy asset that require regular maintenance. I'm Tom Winter, Head of CCTV and Jetting at OneLine. We're part of the Adler & Allen Group. OneLine are a specialist drainage contractor in the water division for Adler & Allen. Siphons traditionally are pinch points in sewer networks. They are linked to CSO performances due to their locations near watercourses. Debris buildup can often lead to blockages, which may result in spills or pollution events.
I'm Alex Saunders, Head of Waste Networks at Southern Water. So a siphon is a bit like a U-bend behind your toilet. It's where something gets in our way, typically a river, and we need to go under it. And so the pipe bends up and comes back around, and so sewage will flow through, and the force of that sewage will go through like the U-bend on your toilet and out the other side and continue through our sewer network. So siphon cleaning is really, really important. It's a brilliant bit of design that doesn't involve any power like a pump station, but in the dip of the U-bend, sewage can gather. And in that point, over time, things that are in sewage, typically things like wet wipes and fat oils and greases that unfortunately get flushed down the toilet that shouldn't be there, can form blockages. And so regular maintenance keeps these really, really important bits of pipework flowing to protect the environment, so we don't unnecessarily spill to the environment, and protect people's homes from flooding.
Our normal kind of operations would deal with health and safety and setting up the relevant compounds and access. To begin with, cleaning a siphon, we'll always need to deal with the flow. In this particular case, it's been over-pumped. We isolated the siphon at both the upstream and downstream access points. This siphon has 3 hatch boxes, which have been removed. Once we've drained down the siphon, we'll then do cleaning works with a range of jetting units that will remove debris, suck them up into different vacuum tankers that then enable us to camera. And while we're doing the works, obviously, we will be cameraing the condition of the sewer.
So at Southern, we are on a mission to reduce the impact to the environment. One of our big areas that we're targeting is spills. So where the sewer is designed that at times of storm, it can overflow to the environment. And by keeping these critical bits of sewer network clean, we make sure that as much sewerage as possible flows through the sewers, gets to the sewage treatment works where we turn it into world-class river water and renewable energy, keeping it in the pipes and not spilling to the environment.
So this particular siphon, we found a crack in the cast iron pipe. We are immediately resolving that with a patching team as part of the Adler & Allen Group, and we will have it back in operation within the next 24 hours.
I'm Josh Goff from OneLine Operations Manager. First of all, they're going to camera it first, identify where the crack is, and then they're put a patch liner in 50mm either side of the crack and inflate it, wait for it to set, and then they will camera survey it again just to make sure that the crack's been fixed.
Siphons are always connected to main sewer networks, and they take on a large amount of flow, which is always a challenge. We may have to over-pump. You'll always have isolation challenges, ranging from dealing with servicing valves, penstocks, stop logs, and any other traditional method. They're in remote areas, so access is obviously a challenge. You're dealing with a live sewer most of the time, and they have complex confined space work. We're really pleased to be working with Southern Water, maintaining their siphon asset.
So we have many brilliant contracting partners that we work with across our sewer network, but when it comes to siphons, it's a really specialist bit of our network, and we need people that truly understand the right way to clean those siphons so we get a really high quality job. And working with partners like OneLine is critical in terms of making sure that when we come here, we do the job once and we do it right.